What do you do on Friday?
Cutting nails, apply perfume, decided surah al-kahf, use miswak,
On Friday.
taking hot before yes.
What's your name?
My name is Sima.
What do you do on Friday?